All right, this is the Near Zero 1100 milliliter titanium camp pot. It is a great little pot. It's got a nice smooth texture, which you don't always get with titanium. Good placement of the bail handle. Very lightweight, very strong. It fits a full-size fuel canister in there. And here's just a tennis ball for scale and reference. Great little pot. We've looking forward to taking it out on the trail. I'll throw it on the scale real quick. All right, 173 grams it looks like with the bag. 191 grams. So not too shabby, and it's a good buy. I did a review video comparing it to this one, which is the Toak's 1100 milliliter. So go check that out if you like.